out to the right, we have the classic Hornets of 2ACU rolling in for their attack.
You'll see the Lloyd Masters in the rear, killing the ground below and working with the pilots, securing the aircraft. And the aircraft's automatic flight control system. Their aim will be to get in and out as stealthily as possible and as quickly as possible to avoid compromising the position of the patrol. Management system with the capability to control and coordinate Australian Defence Force air, sea and land elements in real time, utilising that surfboard-shaped object sticking up above the airplane. Sub-Hunter and anti-surface warfare helicopter, the MH-60 Romeo Seahawk. Designed to employ the Hellfire air-to-surface missiles and the Mark 54 anti-submarine torpedo. Pilot Lieutenant Jordan Taylor is now bringing, and they'll be able to actively ping or passively listen for any signs of an enemy submarine. While this is going on, the tactical warfare officer in the front, Lieutenant Joel Bury, is communicating with the wedge tail, which you can see passing overhead. Submarine, and using the sonar array, which you can see hanging from the belly of its four, and position the sub right to exit and conduct their strike. As the aircraft overfly, you'll see their bomb bay doors are open and electro-optical sensors are extended. Now retracted its sniffing sonar array, and although capable of conducting a submarine attack, more than 4 times as much information compared to the Orion, and then send this off-board through Link 16 data link and satellite communications. Here they come to drop their torpedoes.
We located the enemy submarine over Corio Bay. We then...
We can continue these approaches onto really short airfields with quite narrow widths, so quite manoeuvrable for what we have here is heavy airlift. And you look to your right now, you'll see it about to touch down. aircraft is positioned for an immediate takeoff. You can see the ramp come down now and those toes will hit the ground. C-17 is rolling and just taken off for its tactical departure. Just look at the steep climb performance and climb out capability the jet is able to conduct.
Coming back in for their landing. They're in combat spread. They'll be pitching up to re-enter the circuit.
Flying at 500 knots and 80 metres above the ground, Hunter pitches into the circuit.
And the air-raid warning has flagging the Stewart and Jürgen Kyries, plus the F-22 Raptor, and a whole lot more to come.
This will be the first time where I actually fly with live missiles on the jet. If I were faced with having to shoot a missile at an aircraft, it's one of those things that we've all had to think about.
Aircraft at this stage has a top speed of 405 knots.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you've just seen the battle space demonstration. Now the players are coming past the crowd for one last chance to take a few photos. Flying downwards and departing the stage. Then airborne, we have the two Tiger helicopters. Newest Aircraft, Australian Defence Forces, airspace battle that you've just witnessed.